Hello, I'm Dr. Bernard Lee. I'm Dr. Pain. I provide the alternative to open surgery. It's always been my dream to bring pain care to the masses. Through Singapore Paincare Holdings, we want to be able to make this available to everyone.
We want to bring pain care management to the patient's doorstep.
Our main aim is to make sure that this void is filled
and to reach a very unmet niche in the heartlands with the patients that are dear and important to us.
With minimally invasive procedures, we can help the patients
free themselves from chronic pain and to allow them to have good quality of life.
We seek to end your pain on a permanent basis.
I feel very lucky to be part of a specialty to help patients with chronic pain.
With this entire support system, then the patient's pain can be well targeted and the patient doesn't have to suffer from pain ever again.